guys, just pretend that I feed you because it cut, because I know you remember. It cut. Oh my goodness. It's so hard to get out. Usually, it Mama, tumawag si Tita Nika. Anyways, there's no chairs. Instead, we just oops. Oh my goodness.
Asan ba si Jai? Sa app niya? Oo nga, tapos na makikita mo pag-check.
Hi.
Ano niya?
You want some face mask? Okay. Okay, done. Let's write your name. Yes, wait. Guys, let's just nothing.
Ano iba?
Etihad stop.
Oh, wait, no.
Kasama kayo sa may birthday na kasi
Sa economy, ang daming nag-book na.
Okay, it's time.
Sa sa business, yun lang. Pero, yung iba na-confirm na eh. 15 ang nag-book ng economy is yung business is nag-book ng capacity is 28. Ang nag-book is 20. Check-in pa lang is 9.
Okay, so, Aisha.
Kaya dito ko nalalaman kung confirm na yun ako.
lagi yung dapat.
Yun, nakikita yun. Nakakonfirm sa business class. Economy.